Pinterest is not your conventional social platform. This guide is meant to help you understand the network and how you can use it to reach your target audience. What is Pinterest? It is a platform where users, known as pinners, can save pins containing images, descriptions, and links onto various boards for future reference. The boards can either be public or private. A user can create their own pin by uploading links or images manually, finding a pin via search, or just by stumbling upon one on their Pinterest feed. Pinterest is mainly for storing inspiration and ideas. The marketing value of Pinterest. There are over 250 million users on Pinterest. This may not match the number of users on other platforms, but it is still something, especially because Pinterest has exceptional selling power. People go to Pinterest to search for things to buy, not to scroll down aimlessly. What types of businesses can benefit from Pinterest? Online stores with physical goods have a high chance of getting positive results on Pinterest. B2C companies are also more likely to benefit compared to B2B. Who exactly uses Pinterest? Statistically, women use Pinterest more than men. 70% of the users are women while 30% are men. However, more men are signing up on the platform. According to statistics offered by Pinterest, 40% of the households on the platform have an annual income of more than $100,000. Setting up your Pinterest profile. An effective Pinterest profile is the first step to successful marketing. Do not set up a personal account, open a business one for the store. This way, you will have access to advertising tools and Pinterest analytics. If you had already opened a personal account, it is possible to change it into a business account. Necessary information. Keep everything consistent with your other social media profiles as well as your website. The username and logo should be the same across all platforms. Click on the settings options if you want to make changes to your profile. While editing, you will see a featured boards option. They will always be displayed above your other boards. Use them to showcase important content. Organize your Pinterest boards. There are a few reasons why organizing your boards is important. One is that you will win more followers if you categorize the boards into niche subsections. Use a different board for every type of product and audience section. You can also create boards within boards. Consider keywords. Include keywords in your descriptions and use hashtags to squeeze in more keywords. What content to share? Note, all pins should have a visual component and link to a relevant page. Product pins, these have videos or photos of a product and link to the purchase page. Content and blog posts. Infographics. Videos. Extra tips. Use several dominant colors to make your pins stand out. Do not use too much white space, keep it less than 30%. Make use of group boards. You can pay to have your pins promoted. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast show.